Hello parents, hello kids. Here I want to give you PLAC tutorial for this week. I have prepared for our materials here. There are rainbow picture and color paint. Okay. So colorful, yes right? Okay, next. The last is cotton bud. Okay, so later you can dot with this cotton bud. Okay, let's start.